Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Saudi. Today in this video I am discussing about the pattern 3. This is my pattern 3. Okay, it is look like a triangle shape. It is look like a triangle shape. Okay, before here in this video I am explaining to the logic one. Okay, now if it is look like in before my videos pattern 2 pattern 3, if you observe, this is my pattern 3, this is my pattern 3, and this is my pattern, this is my pattern 2, this is my pattern 1. Before my videos I explain how to print this pattern and how to print this pattern. In this is pattern 1 video, this is here pattern 2 video, how to draw, how to print this pattern. In that video I was explained. Okay, if you look at this one, if the both combine, the both patterns will combine, patterns will combine, it's look like a pyramid shape. It is look like a pyramid shape. Okay, see, it is look like a pyramid shape. Now here I give some names here. I will give some variables. This is I, this is J, I and J. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I given 5 now? Why I given 5? Because I will explain later. Okay, and now if you observe here, first row, first column, first 4 columns is empty. After that 1 star will be printed. Second row, 3 columns is space, 3 stars will be printed, 3 stars. Third row, 2 spaces, 5 stars is printed. Fourth row, 1 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars is printed. In last row, fifth row, no spaces, and it will print 9. It will print 9 stars. Okay, if you observe here, each and every row the stars is increased by 2. Each and every row the star will be increasing by +2. Each and every row stars will be increased by +2. In spaces 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 spaces. First row 4 spaces, second row 3 spaces, third row 2 spaces, fourth row 1 spaces, fifth row no spaces. That means each and every row it will decrease by -1, decreased by -1. Okay, spaces decreased by -1, stars increased by +2, Okay, now if you look at this one, this pattern 2, if you look this pattern 2, in my second video logic, in my second pattern 2 logic 2 video, I was explain this pattern. Okay, same like this. So here I taken I, J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I declare 1, 2, 3, 4. Here same as I declare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4 spaces, it will print 1 star. 3 spaces, it is printed 2 stars, 2 spaces it is printed 3 stars, 1 spaces it will print 4 stars, 0 spaces it will print 5 stars. It will print 5 stars. Okay, look at this. If you observe this one, 1 2 3 4 5, here 1 3 5 7 9. Just here the one more star will be added here, plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 7 plus 4 9 plus 4 9. That means, so first pattern is 1 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 5 plus 3 4 plus 3 7, 5 plus 4 9. So here just we can give one more extra here, we can give like this, just it will print 1 star in this place, it will print stars in this place, extra stars will be printed in these places like this, in these places like this. Okay, here why I am not mentioned 6 7 8 9 now, we don't require the 6 7 8 9 columns. Why? Because here it will be increment, it will print automatically. So now I think you are understood, each and every row it will incremented by plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, each and every row it will incremented by plus 2. Okay, now if I think you are understood. So now we are going move to the programming round. So this is my pattern 3. If I run this one, I will print, it will print like this, will print like this. But I don't, this is not my pattern, this is not my pattern. Okay, just one change is enough. In this program we can change only one value, we can change one value, we will print that pattern. So in this pattern you will learn 2 patterns. If you change only one value in this program, we can print that pattern. What is that now? So if you observe this one, it will be printed like this. So each and every row it will incremented by 2 2 2 2. Here 1 plus 1 2, it will print 3, it will print 5, it will print 7, it will print 9. Okay, so where it will be print, where it will be changed, now the one change is here in this position, stars position. If you give plus 2 now, if you give plus 2, it will be print, triangle shape, it will print triangle shape. See this one, see, it will print triangle shape. So just one change I have do here. What is that now? So each and every row incremented by 2 stars. That means, so stars, here stars, here stars, here the stars is stars equal to 1, stars equal to 1 I given here, where in this position I have given stars equal to 1. So first value stores the stars equal to 1. Okay, each and every time it will be incremented by 2 now, each and every time it will incremented by 2. That means stars equal to, so where that will be happen, in this position, every iteration, that means 5, here I given 5 now, that means it will be print 5 rows. So 5 iterations it will be increment, every time it will be incremented by 2, and before the value will be stored in stars variable. Okay, 1 plus 2 is, now here stars equal to plus 2, here 1 plus 2, now stars equal to 3. So here 1, 3 stars is printed. Now 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Here 5 stars is printed. Now 5 plus 2, here 7 stars is printed. Next 7 plus 2, here 9 stars is printed. So if I made one, if I made one change here, the pattern will be printed. It is very easy now. Look like very easy program. In this program we are learning, we have learned two programs. Just we can made one change, it will be print in like this pattern, So why I in before that I told you I didn't take an 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. We don't need to 6, 7, 8, 9. I will show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you look this one, it will be print where which position? 5th position. 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 9. In final row 9 stars will be printed. 9 stars will be printed like this. Why if we here I didn't explain 6, 7, 8, 9 position now. If you check my for loop, if you see my for loop is started for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. N means how much? N means 5. Why 5 now? Enter the n value 5. Enter the n value 5. It will be print. It will be stores the n position 5. So I less than or equal to n means it will be run up to 5 rows. So this is my rows now. 2 5 rows. It will be the for loop will be iteration. 5 times the for loop will be iteration. 5 times the for loop will be iteration. Okay. In inner for loop, for j equal to spaces, j greater than or equal to 1, j minus minus. In spaces place, I given n minus 1. Already the spaces variable stores the n minus 1. N minus 1 means 5 minus 1. That means spaces value equal to 4. The space variable will be stored 4 value. Okay, 4 greater than or equal to 1. Condition is true. If condition is true, it will go to the print the spaces in this position. In this position, the spaces will be printed up to how many times? 4 times. Why? Because the loop will be run 4 times. After that, k equal to 1, k less than or equal to stars. So if you observe here, I am printing up to 4 to 5. Up to in my first row end with 5th row, not 6, 7, 8, 9. So after the second row, how it will be print in 6th position? If you I will do here now k equal to 1, k less than or equal to stars k plus plus. Now k, how much value stars will be stored in one value, so it will run one time. The loop will be iterated one time, and if the condition is true, it will be printed only one star. One star is printed in this position. After that, stars will be incremented by plus 2, 1 plus 2. Now stars value equal to 3, stars value equal to 3, spaces equal to spaces minus 1, that means 4 minus 1. Okay, now spaces value equal to 3. So it will the println statement move to the next line. The cursor move to the next line, so that means next row. It will go to the increment phase. I value incremented by 2, I value incremented by 2. So j equal to spaces. Now how many spaces we have? 3 spaces. The spaces variable stores the 3 value, so it will be run up to 3 spaces. Up to 3 spaces is printed. After that, condition is false and coming out the for loop, and again it will run the another for loop. If you see here, for k equal to 1, k less than or equal to stars, k plus plus. So now k value is stars how much? 3. Now stars is 3. So it will be print 3 stars. It will be print 3 stars. It will be print 3 stars. Okay. After that, stars will be incremented by 3 plus 2, 5, and the spaces is incremented by minus 1, that means 2. So again it will go to the next line. The cursor move to the next line. Again it will go to the increment part. Now I value equal to 3. Now I value equal to 3, and that means now the cursor in the third row position. So like that, up to 5th row it will be printed. In 5th row there is no spaces, no? So it will it doesn't run this for loop. Directly it will go to the stars equal to star plus 2 star minus 1 and println, and the cursor is here. Now again the for loop will be go to in this position. If you see this position, now I value incremented by 6 less than or equal to 5, condition is false. If condition is false, it will be go to the end of the for loop, and finally it will be printed like this. Okay, I think you are understood. Now if I run this one, if I change this value, what will happen? We can see, if I change this value, enter the n value 10. If I given 10, it will be print 10 pyramid, like pyramid. If I give 20, if I give 15, it will print pyramid shape. So I think it is very easy. If you didn't see my pattern to logic 2 video, see the video. Just in that program you can change one place. That place is this one. You can change in this place. Plus 2, the pattern will be printed. No need to again we don't analyzing the process. Already I done that process. So if you didn't see that video, I will give that video link in available description. So this code also I will give in the description part. See the difference. What is the difference? That pattern, this pattern. So if you understand, please click the like button and share my channel and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you press the bell icon, whenever I uploaded my program logics, that will reach you by notification. So please make sure you press the bell icon and don't skip any video. Why? Because this is the logic. If you miss 1 second of the logic, If you didn't understood any logic, so don't skip the video. Thank you everyone.